Recently, Tesla released their brand new Tesla Model 3 refresh after having used the same design for 6 years. If you're currently shopping for a new Tesla and wondering if you should get the old Model 3 or the new one, watch this video because we're gonna go through 5 reasons for why this car might be for you. Reason number 1, uniqueness. So the last time we got a big facelift in the looks of a Tesla car was with the Model Y in 2020. But now we finally got a long-awaited uplift of Tesla's second best-selling car, the Model 3. It now looks a lot more edgy and cool, making use of sharper lines and redesigned headlights and taillights. US deliveries of this car is estimated to begin early next year, so if you want a Tesla that very few people have, you should consider this one. Reason number 2, comfort. Let's face it, you like comfort and your car should be the place where you get it. This refresh was designed with a lounge aesthetic in mind, which is apparent when you see how the interior looks. The car's been fitted with acoustic glass and improved soundproofing materials, making it a really quiet car to drive. For the old Model 3, only the front windshield and the front doors had this. But for this one, the entire car does. And to top everything off, the front seats in this car has air conditioning, which is really cool. Reason number 3, more range. So with this new Model 3, you'll get 629 kilometers of range in the long-range version. On the old one, you got 535 kilometers. So with the new one, you get an extra 94 kilometers. So if you often go on long road trips, this car would be ideal for you. Reason number 4, it's cheap, as in cheap. Considering the improvements made to this refresh with everything from the new design, the new interiors and the added features, this new Model 3 is fairly cheap. Currently, the price for this car is $57,000 in Australia before on-road costs, which may sound like a lot. But when the old Model 3 was updated in 2021, it received a price cut of $7,000, which means the same thing could happen for this one. So hopefully with this car you can get one without breaking the bank. And for reason number 5, the added features. If you have a family, you'll love this car. For the first time ever, Tesla has added a rear display in the back seat, enabling the backseat passengers to use the infotainment system. From here, they can control the car's climate, change music, and watch movies, making the experience of driving the car much more including to all passengers. And that's 5 reasons for why you should buy the new Tesla Model 3 refresh. If you like this video, then please click subscribe and the bell, it really helps my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.